A warm greetings to all and sundry. I am Vartika Shri, and as we all know that we have gathered here to share our views on a very important topic, that is the role of digitalization in the banking sector. To start up with, let us know about what is digitalization. It is a process of converting any data or any information which is in the analog form to the digital form with the reception of innovation. Today it has become a global topic and it is acting as a catalyst in our Indian economy. Today we have more than 31 crore 80 lakhs bank account. This data itself depicts that how much there is a need of bank to be digitized. A report says by the Swiss financial banking company that in India there is a transaction of more than USD of 200 billion and it is expected to grow to 1 trillion by 2023. So digitization is not an option for the banking sector. Rather, it is inevitable because unlike the other sector, it is also getting digitized and it is also not far from them. Today, risk reduction, customer service and making some profit is the top 3 goals that any sector or any banking financial sector is trying to achieve so as to have a good competition between them. Highlighting some more advantages, I may say that today we are easily send, receive and fund transfer of money from one place of India to anywhere across the globe. We now do not need to have loads and loads of cashes in our pocket. We are also very much privileged by the consumption, cashbacks, discount which is offered by the government or the private merchandise. For instance, if we pay 2000 Indian rupees digitally, we will get 100% exemption from our service tax. We now can also pay several utility bills without standing in non-ending queues. We also get 24/7 service quality. We can ask any queries and queries are properly made answered by their customers, by their employers. Today, it is the most beneficial for the old age people because they can easily avail all the facilities without going to the bank. It has also been proved boon for the students or for the youngsters as today now they can avail and access every government schemes easily. We are today having so much of ease of digitalization, but with this ease it has some loopholes too. So coming with this, cyber threat is one of the prominent threat that we are facing today. A report says that 37% of our cyber threat has increased in 2020 and we stand 27th in the global list of cyber threat. It has also increased certain limitations like if we reach a certain cash withdrawal limitations or cash deposit limitations, we need to go to the bank for further proceedings. Instead of having several OTPs, message alerts, notification settings, we still get trapped in the conspiracy of fraudsters and they try to capsize our money either in the small amount or in the big amount. It has also made some loopholes for the old age people because for the initial verification of documents, signature done, they still need to go to the bank accounts. So concluding my part, I just want to say by saying that digitalization is something or technology is something where we refers to where I am standing today and where I want myself in a specific time span of mine. So digitization is something we cannot take it back, but we can take it further more heights with the stringent rules and regulations. Thank you.